Hey, this lesson is going to be a quick lesson on setting up the HTML and preparing our file in order to handle the accordion. So this is all HTML. I'm going to add in some classes to make it easy to select and manipulate these elements later on with the JavaScript. And there is an exercise in this lesson, and that's to create the structure, just as I'm doing for the accordion. So you can add in your own content. Each panel will have a head and as well a body. So I've given a class of a head and a body of a body, and this is where I'm going to host the content, and these are the ones that are going to open up when you click the head. It's going to show the body content. So you can go ahead and add your own, or you could do the same ones that I'm doing. I'll walk you through how to set this up. So within the editor, we're going to open up and create a brand new file, and then save the file as index.html. Create a basic HTML structure. Then within the body, let's set up the HTML. We need a div, give it a class so that you can identify it. I'm going to give it a class of main, as this is going to be our main container for the accordion. You can call it accordion as well. They're all going to need to be the same because this is how we're going to be selecting the elements with JavaScript. So let's set up the basic structure for one, and we're going to copy and paste the other ones. So we're going to give it a class of panel. So that's going to be the main parent of each panel. And then each one is going to contain a head div, as well as a div that's going to have a class of a body. And then we're going to use this content in order to add JavaScript and make the functionality. So we can call it panel 1 head, panel 1 body. And you can put whatever content you want in here. You can put images, and you can also have some HTML structure. So whatever you want, you can put in there, and it will all work the same way where it will hide and show it. Let's duplicate these and just update the content that's contained in there. Don't update any of the classes, and save. I'm going to do a quick live preview so we can see what it's going to look like. And so far, you're not going to see a whole lot. It's going to be fairly plain. And as we apply some styling and JavaScript, that's where we're going to bring all the functionality in. So go ahead and set up the project just as I have, and you can be ready to move on to the next step. We'll apply a little bit of styling, and they'll dive into the JavaScript part of it.